Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. If you're new here, I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark. My closet name is Mish Market. And so today I figured we could go through a little bit of like a day in the life. I have some errands to run. I need to drop off a pair of shoes to get the zipper repaired. And I need to go to IKEA to get some bins that'll fit for my inventory shelves. I'm sort of reworking inventory because I'm really quickly running out of space. And yeah, hopefully I don't feel super awkward going into the stores and like talking and filming. I'm just using my phone. So anyway, let's get to it. I'm in the car. It's like 10:45 now. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so we're here. I already dropped off my shipping and I have a list of things I need to get. So I can't open my bag one-handed, but I'm gonna get out of the car and we'll head in. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna get what is this? Like 5 shelves, so 10 of these. Okay. I don't know if I'm trying to make it work, but we'll see. I always get caught up in the plant section. I just need to walk through. Just keep moving. So I have all of that in the car now. It's a little much because I had to move it from the one cart I had into a second car and then carry it out into 2 goes. So anyway, I still haven't had any coffee, so I should get on that. And next I need to go to the shoe repair store. This pair of Coach booties needs a new zipper, so yeah, I'm gonna do that next, and get some coffee and go home. I just dropped off the one shoe to get the zipper repaired, and I didn't film in there because it was like a really tiny place. It was just like one of those cash only, drop it off, like old men sitting and hanging out in the like main area kind of shops. So anyway, it was just like a mom and pop shop. And then I picked up this spinach and cheese croissant and a coffee. And so now I'm just sitting in the car, but I need to make one more stop because I forgot that I dropped off my laundry. Then I'm going home. Okay, that's it. So let's go. Okay, so we're at Home Depot now. I need to get a second shelf. So I tried out the boxes, I brought them home, and here we are. Okay, so this is the standard size. I already have one of these at home and I need another one. I was just thinking of getting the one that's a little bit deeper. This one's 24 inches. but the bins I just bought should work for this, and I don't really foresee needing larger shelving for a while, so I'll probably just take this one, which is 36 by 18, and it costs $35. So yeah, I'm gonna take this home and call it a day. Boxes, laundry, my bag, new shelf. Okay, we're gonna put this together now. Okay, so I'm mostly done, but I really just want to get, I just want to sort of show you guys why I think this is better than that. These are just sort of like these 11 by 11 cubes, right? And so this is how much space is sort of left with those cubes, because this is an 18-inch shelf. I just don't think it's an efficient use of space. They worked for me for a while because I was keeping them in my closet, and then I got this shelf. So I just sort of transferred them from the closet to the shelf. And then now I think I've sort of outgrown them. I have just about 500 active listings at the moment. So at that point, I think getting the second shelf with the bigger bins works much better. So what I'm going to have to do sort of in this process is take everything that is lettered here, A through O, and I'm going to have to re-letter these bins and then sort of figure out how many pieces I can fit into these larger containers. And then on the remaining shelves, I can't actually show you guys here, I'm like on the reverse. On the remaining shelves that will be open sort of up in this area, I'm going to put shoes. So right now the way that the shoes are being stored are sort of in these numbered shoe boxes from the USPS. And so whenever somebody buys a pair of shoes, I will take the shoes out from the shoe boxes, and then now this number becomes available for me to store shoes inside. I initially was shipping them inside of the shoe boxes, but I think the number system works a little bit better for me to be able to figure out where the shoes are, because there's a few different places I store shoes in the apartment. So I'm gonna keep going, building some more of these white boxes, and then I'm going to sort of finish setting up on this second shelf. And yeah, I will see you guys in a few. Okay, it took a little bit longer than expected, so it's dark out already. but I am done moving everything over here. I still have some shoes that are in my closet, my personal closet, that are also stored like this. And I have these 2 bins that are actually empty. There's nothing inside. But I was able to fit all of the items that were in 2 of these smaller containers went into 1 of these. And so I just made sure that all of the labels were face up, and some of them are just like markered on, but yeah, you can see some of the numbers. And yeah, so I am really happy with this. I still need to replace these Post-its, and I need to update all of the new bin letters into my inventory spreadsheet, but I am so happy. Angel lost some space on his side of the office, but he was super kind and made room for this. So yeah, this is what the final product looks like. I can't really get the whole thing in one shot, but this is pretty much what it looks like. If you guys are interested in seeing a video specifically on inventory itself and how I number things or anything like that, you can let me know, but I think this gives you a good idea. Every bin has a letter, and then everything inside is numbered. This is about 500 items in total, and then that's shoes, which everything has a number on it. So whenever something ships, I think I said this before, but whenever something sells, I will ship the item in a separate box or a separate bag, and I keep these boxes numbered right here, just so that when one frees up, I will store another pair of shoes on the inside. And so that is everything. I've got way more floor space, and then I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with these or all of these pieces of cardboard that came with the boxes. I might just keep them to make boxes in the future, just because it's cardboard. It's probably useful. So yeah, something needs to happen here. But anyway, this is done. So the lighting is not great, but it is like 6:30 right now. I just ate. I'm gonna call it a night in terms of the vlog. I still need to share my closet and list a couple of things. And I was hoping to get some photos done, but I don't know how realistic that is. I kind of have a headache now, so I don't know. This was a lot. But yeah, I'm glad that all of that is done. It's been a long time coming, really. And when I finish sort of organizing my desk area and the rest of sort of the office, I'll probably post some of that to my Instagram and all of that, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you like these kinds of videos, or if you want to see more, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and be sure to subscribe to my channel down below and turn on the bell for notifications. And yeah, that is all. Good night, everyone. I will see you in the next one. Bye.